And why AD plays such a huge role in my improvement in chemistry is because of how detailed their notes is, from telling us the keywords and the proper structure on our answering of our questions, and which is really what the teachers look out for in exams, and that's what I think makes a lot of improvement in AD students, and that's why it's mine. I'm Oscar from WIDEST Secondary School, and what I like about AD is firstly because how closely knitted the AD family is, from the friendly and kind teachers which are always ready to answer your queries. And second of all is the quality that AD puts for their students. For example, the lab sessions, all the apparatus which are provided for us are all of the highest quality, as well as the chemicals provided. Third is there's actually a WhatsApp group which includes all the student helpers, so like whenever we don't have any queries, despite any time during the day, even outside of lessons, we can always ask them in the WhatsApp group, and they always reply promptly as well. And what also played a significant role in my improvement in chemistry is after every topic during our lessons, during like the last 30 minutes, the teacher will actually go through a summary for our students, telling us the key points and put it in like a mind map, so it helps us students to recap on the key points and help us to apply in our questions as well, for the subsequent worksheets and structured questions as well. And for the colour cheat sheet, it's also good for us because it's eye-appealing as well. So when you see it, you also feel like remembering as well. And yeah, it also like give us a good way of remembering our keywords and that we should remember for that, which is important.